Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make Thai sweet. It's one of my favorite. It's called Ka-Nom-Tom. It's kind of like a coconut munchkins. And this dessert not only very easy to make, but also is vegan and gluten-free friendly because Ka-Nom-Tom consists of glutinous rice flour and coconut. And this my recipe is very convenient for who is not able to find or buy fresh coconut, because I'm going to use the desiccated coconut to make the filling. So let's have a look how to make Ka-Nom-Tom. Before you make the filling, you need to soak the dry coconut in the water about 2 minutes and then drain out. And then after that, I'm going to mix the palm sugar and coconut together in a pan. And add some water to help to dissolve the sugar. Then heat on. Now my sugar completely dissolves, so I'm going to add the coconut. Combine sugar and coconut. Keep stirring until the coconut is a bit dried and sticky. To make the filling balls. So you just use the teaspoon to measure the filling. Okay, take some filling and then roll. I'm going to make the glutinous dough. This dough, just only the 2 ingredients, is the glutinous rice flour and water. But today I'm going to use the pandan juice. If you can't find the pandan to make the juice, that's okay, just water is not a problem. So to make this dough, either you need to slightly pour the water into the flour and use your finger to combine the water and flour. Just add around 1 tablespoon at a time and combine the water and the flour until you get the sticky dough, but it's not too sticky. It's like glue your hand, but sticky you can shape and roll like a ball. Okay, time to make the munchkins. Use here the teaspoon and take the dough and then just roll the dough into like a ball shape first, and then use your thumb to place the dough and the coconut filling in the dough and gently cover the filling into the glutinous dough. And if you have some excess the dough, just take it out from here and then roll again into a ball shape. So here we are, that's it. Cook Ka-Nom-Tom into boiling water for about 3 minutes or until they are floating out. Then coating with shredded coconut. I hope you enjoy my video and the recipe I cooked today. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel or drop me a like. And if you like to look at the full recipe, you can visit my website comfycosykitchen.com. And see you next time guys. Bye!